everybody, my name is Jessica. It's with Smart Parts Crafts, and I am the lead designer and customer service guru here. Today we are going to work on a pair of mint green gold fan tassel earrings. We will show them to you right here. Take a look at those. You can see that you've got some good seed bead detail. They sparkle real well, and then even the detail down here with the tassel and the gold thread. This is a 5-minute project, so it's a real quick and easy one that you can make. These components we have in many different colors, and these are actually called our QUATREFOIL filigree. These are called our QUATREFOIL filigree, and we have them in a lot of different colors. We even have some that you can put your own seed beads in and make your own design. So we are going to start with, and I will show you our tassel here as well up close. So we're making these with just a basic gold French hook earring. First thing we're going to do is just open that up. We're going to slide it in here. I'm using these needle nose pliers to just close things up so it's not going to slide off. And I can see that I've put it on the wrong way. What you want to do with these QUATREFOIL filigree is keep the outside or the front side of the earring is going to be where the seed beads are popping out more. So I'm just going to quickly turn this around. Okay, so we have that on there. I'm going to take one of these 4mm gold jump rings. This is actually from one of our jump ring collections that has the gold jump rings in the lots of different sizes. These are a 4mm light gold jump ring. You can kind of see I'm just doing a simple close right there. You want to close it so it's not going to fly off. And really that quickly and easily, we have a pair of earrings. I don't think I need to put the other one together, but I will do it actually real quickly because just to show you how fast we can do that. Again, we're going to place the seed bead side out so that it will be the front of the earrings. Close up our earring connector. Probably a little tighter. And I'll show this up a little closer here. Just sliding it in the jump ring. The tassel is easy because it really doesn't matter which side is facing front. And then we're going to close it up. And that easily, you've got a complete set. You can kind of see the shine of the seed beads there. So I hope that you have enjoyed our design today. You can check out this video and other videos, of course, on our YouTube channel. Feel free to check out all the components that we have. Like I said, we have them in many different colors at smartpartscrafts.com. And we look forward to seeing what you create with the same type of thing. Send our pictures on Facebook. Anyway, thank you very much for joining us today, and happy crafting.